how to download and install Evony game on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we are going to be downloading the famous Evony application on your Android in just a couple of steps. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then launch open your Google Play Store. Inside the search bar, type in Evony and search. Look for the Evony, the King's Return game on your Android device, whether you are using your mobile device or your tablets, and tap on install. Now wait for the game to download, which will take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so that you can play the game faster. The game is free to play and requires Android 5.0 or higher. Ensure you have 490 MB plus of free space, and always make sure to download the app from the trusted platform. After waiting for a while, the application will be installed. Once it is, tap on play. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed the Evony game on your Android device. Go ahead and allow necessary permissions or not, depending upon your preferences. And now you'll need to go through a quick tutorial. Allow it to download necessary information or game data. On your Android, click the Continue button to connect to Google Play Games. And once you do that, you will see a quick tutorial. And you'll need to complete that first. And just like that, you have successfully installed the app and started playing the game on your Android device. So there you have it. That is how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.